Automatic Period Control (PVD). Strictly control soft soil. Post-construction settlement. Utility model patented technology. New eco-friendly vertical drainage material. Made of degradable polymer material. Stable and efficient drainage during construction. After foundation consolidation. Natural degradation. Zero residue. No pollution. Drainage channel auto closes in 12–18 months. Reduce settlement risks from the source. Improve overall foundation stability comprehensively. Suitable for highways, ports, airports and land reclamation. Fully comply with green construction standards. Wenzhou Smart Logistics Park. Yangjiang LNG Storage Base. 2 key projects. All selected automatic period control (PVD). Wenzhou Smart Logistics Park. Located in coastal deep soft soil area. Weak soil with great post-settlement hidden danger. Automatic period control (PVD). Degradable, eco-friendly and pollution-free. Drainage channel auto closes in 12–18 months. Post-construction settlement controlled within 20 centimeters. Deep reinforcement of soft soil foundation. Greatly improve foundation bearing capacity. Meet long-term operation of heavy load logistics park. Yangjiang LNG base is built on reclaimed soft soil site. High standards for foundation stability and settlement control. Automatic period control (PVD) with vacuum surcharge preloading. Achieve foundation bearing capacity of 120 kilopascals. Consolidation 90%. Post-settlement 20 centimeters. Effectively bear loads of tanks and terminal equipment. Resist impact from ship berthing. Ensure long-term safe and stable operation. Adjust measures to local conditions. For precise settlement control. Automatic period control (PVD). Strictly control soft soil post-construction settlement.